Hey everyone, welcome back. Was roll match working fine until recently and now it's freezing or crashing mid-game? Sometimes even restarting your whole phone and costing you progress, and here's the fix. First, go ahead and force close the Royal Match app completely from your recent apps rather than trying to keep playing through the screen. Since continuing to tap on a frozen game increases the chance of crashing your device entirely. Go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and free up space since low storage adds memory pressure that leads to exactly this kind of mid-game crash. Close every other app in your recent apps list before starting a new level. Since Roll Match's new features and animations need available memory to render smoothly. After that, go back to your settings again, go to general, go to background app refresh, tap on it and make sure that it is turned off for apps you do not need running, freeing more memory for the game. If it still continues to crash, go ahead and restart your iPhone completely before your next session. Hold the side button and volume down and slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Since this clears the kind of memory buildup that leads to a crash, serious enough to restart your whole phone. So all you've got to do is force close instead of pushing through a freeze, free up storage, close background apps and restart if needed. Crashes stop costing you progress and that's it. Subscribe.